that your baby? Look at the couple.
You want to say hi to everyone? Just like Daddy. What, are you shy?
Hey, David. What were we doing outside earlier?
Oh, that.
I heard you like Iron Man. No? Woo!
There we go. You two takeaway must get so fun.
He moves to recess.
He's certainly more athletic than his father.
Easily. Are you kidding? He's easily more athletic than me. And has no sense of fear either. Except apparently of you.
You're talking with your teenager, so there's definitely some quality parenting going on.
Amen. You know, so what can I say?
Now we have other David. Hopefully he doesn't run into the corner.
David!
Please, okay, good, this is on. Thank goodness I was afraid I'm going to operate with this thing. Ah, thank you, Lord. Okay, so, I am very, very, very amazed at that previous comedy routine. That was awesome. I would never have done that in a million years. But anyway, I have another comedy routine that you might find just as funny. Talking about a very, 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 10 years later, very, 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 very dysfunctional family. More particularly, the children. The worst. You've got the youngest, the middle kid, the older kid, duh. Okay, starting with, obviously, the little kid. His dad could come up to him, and he'd say, "You need to go clean up your toys." "Well, Mario's a fish." "Okay, you need to go clean up your toys, like now. If I ran 1,000,000 miles, my breath would smell like a puppy."
English.
"Backing away." "Chocolate Eiffel Tower." Yeah, totally. And then the middle kid. He's got a speech impediment. He hates it when people misunderstand him. It's really cute, but when anyone misunderstands him, he goes rage. Rage. A stranger or someone he knows could come up to him. "So how old are you?" "Boy." "What?" "Boy!" "What is a lion thing?" "Ah!" And there was this one time when his dad came up, or the kid came up to his dad. He was holding a disc in his hand. He said, "Daddy, I want to watch Tweety Bird." "What?" "Tweety Bird." "What?" "Tweety Bird." Shove the DVD in my face. "Tweety Bird." Tweety Bird. "Oh, Tweety Bird. Yeah, okay. Moron." And he walks away. And then the oldest, the worst. He is the kind who has to correct you in everything you say, even when you're joking, which I tend to do. His dad came up to him one time and said, "Hey kid, with all this rain, we're going to need an ark. Technically, Father, worldwide floods are no longer possible. We will be needing an ark." "Well, I don't like your attitude. Go up to your room." "Technically, Father, it's not my room. You own the house." What do you say to that? Stop thinking! Driving me nuts! Technically, Father, insanity is really caused by the people. You want that? I'm okay now. The dad's not proud of this, but every time the telemarketer calls, he hands the phone to him. "Technically, it's not a free offer. We have to pay for it." "Technically, but you're not my friend if you can't pronounce my last name. Someone else wants to talk to you. Is this Tweety Bird? Tweety Bird!